Rethink everything you thought you knew about electric vehicles. The first ever Ioniq 5 from Hyundai offers incredible driving range confidence, all-wheel drive capability, and impressive interior space and technology throughout. The stunning aerodynamic design is built around clean lines and ultra-modern minimalism. From front to back, the unique LED pixel light design is bold and bright, while the distinctive V-shape catches your eye. The active air intakes don't just give it a high-tech look, they also improve energy efficiency. From the side, the flush door handles and fractal wheel design keep the look clean and sleek. The Ioniq 5 offers impressive driving range and performance. With 2 battery choices, you can travel up to 354 or 488 kilometers. When charging with a 350 kilowatt DC fast charger, it can be charged from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes, while a 5-minute charge will give you a range of up to 100 kilometers. Its advanced battery is ready for Canadian winters. The battery temperature management system pre-warms the battery while the vehicle is connected to the charger to help maximize performance and minimize cold temperature range loss. And the heat pump system helps improve HVAC efficiency, which reduces power demands to heat the cabin and lessens the effect cold weather has on overall vehicle range. Drive with confidence in any season. The available H-Track all-wheel drive system lets you take on tough terrain while enjoying the benefits of an electric vehicle. Built on a dedicated electric vehicle platform, the impressive cabin offers a flat floor design that optimizes space and comfort. The Ioniq 5 incorporates recycled and sustainable materials throughout the interior. Keep yourself and your passengers warm in the winter, thanks to the available heated steering wheel, standard heated front seats, and available heated rear seats. Then, when summer comes, ventilated front seats help you stay cool. Enjoy the drive with the standard 8-way power driver seat with lumbar support. The driver's integrated memory seating ensures that you can maintain your settings just the way you like them every time. The slim design of the front seats and center console add to the modern aesthetic. Looking for even more luxury? The Ioniq 5 offers an exclusive relaxation seat for ultimate comfort. The seating is also configurable in a variety of settings. The second row can slide to meet your seating or cargo needs, while the first row offers a walk-through setting which provides added convenience and room when entering from the driver or passenger side. You'll get even more flexibility when entering or exiting thanks to the sliding center console. It's more than a storage box, too, with cup holders and a 15-watt fast wireless smartphone charger. There are also 2 USB charging ports in the front and 2 more in the rear for added convenience. And it's not just the flat floor and flexibility that make the Ioniq 5 feel spacious. The Vision roof provides a greater sense of openness. There's no shortage of exciting technology in the Ioniq 5. Access your playlists, podcasts, and more with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can monitor and manage many of the Ioniq 5 features with the 12.3-inch touchscreen, like the surround view monitor and the ability to map out your distance to nearby charging stations. The 12.3-inch full digital instrument cluster offers a colorful and crisp view of your gauges and provides important driver information like energy flow. Meanwhile, the augmented reality head-up display lets you see important information like turn-by-turn navigation while you keep your eyes focused on the road. Elevate your drive with the Bose premium sound system. And our BlueLink app connects you to your Ioniq 5 via your smartphone to remotely access a wealth of features and information. You can remotely set your climate, check your charge status and remaining battery range, remotely charge, unlock or lock the doors, and more. The Ioniq 5 also helps you park safely and easily with remote smart parking assist. The Ioniq 5 isn't just a vehicle, it's also a power station thanks to the V2L capability, which enables bi-directional charging so you can use or charge any electronic devices, such as electric bicycles, scooters, camping equipment, and more. The Ioniq 5's roomy interior and flat floor aren't the only innovations that let you carry more cargo. Loading in is easy with the smart power liftgate with auto open. Inside, you'll get 1,680 liters of cargo space thanks to the flat folding rear seats. At the core of the Ioniq 5 is the superstructure. Constructed with Hyundai's advanced high-strength steel, the superstructure is designed to give you a safer, smoother ride. The Ioniq 5 is also equipped with Hyundai SmartSense safety technologies, an innovative network of high-tech cameras and sensors that are constantly monitoring your surroundings to help keep you safe. Like lane following assist, which can assist your steering to help keep you continuously centered between the appropriate lane markings. And if you drift outside of your lane, the lane departure warning with lane keeping assist will provide an alert and can gently correct your steering to help you remain within your lane. Forward collision avoidance assist warns you of a potential collision with a vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist. If you don't stop in time, emergency braking can be applied. To help make driving at night safer and easier, high beam assist will detect oncoming traffic and automatically toggle between your high and low beam setting. Adaptive cruise control is great for longer trips. The system adjusts your speed to keep a preset distance from the vehicle ahead and even works in stop-and-go traffic. Highway driving assist is like your co-pilot, helping you keep to the speed limit by adjusting your cruise control speed as the speed limit changes based on GPS and highway data, and automatically decreasing vehicle speed before entering a highway curve section. And driver attention warning monitors signs of driver fatigue and can suggest taking a break. Change lanes with confidence thanks to blind spot collision avoidance assist. If the system detects a vehicle in your blind spot, it will alert you and can also apply gentle braking to deter an unsafe lane change. Blind View Monitor activates when you signal and gives you another perspective by showing you any oncoming vehicles in your blind spot. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist is helpful in busy parking lots with low visibility, warning you if a vehicle is approaching from either side and can apply braking if no action is taken. Parking distance warning can notify how close you are approaching to an object in the front or rear of the vehicle for easier parking, while Parking Collision Avoidance Assist warns you if you're at risk of a collision while reversing. Once you're parked, Safe Exit Warning Assist alerts when a vehicle is approaching from behind in the adjacent lane to help avoid exiting passengers stepping out into oncoming traffic. And providing an added reminder, rear occupant alert sensors provide an alert to check the back seats once the vehicle is turned off. We are proud to back the quality of the Ioniq 5 with a 5-year, 100,000-kilometer comprehensive limited warranty and 8-year, 160,000-kilometer electric vehicle system warranty. Plus, enjoy added peace of mind with our 5-year, unlimited kilometer roadside assistance program. There's one more benefit of driving the Ioniq 5 too. It may be eligible for government rebates in your local area. See your dealer for more information.